Hey superstars! Today we're diving into one of the coolest parts of your body, your kidneys. These little bean-shaped heroes work super hard to keep you healthy. They're like tiny factories that clean your blood, make pee, and even help your heart. By the end of this video, you'll know all their secrets. Ready? Let's go! First up, where are your kidneys? They're hiding in your back area, just below your ribs. If you put your hands on your hips and move up a bit, that's where they live. They're about the size of your fists, and each one has a job so important, it's like being a superhero 24/7. Now here's the magic. Inside each kidney are millions of teeny tiny filters called nephrons. Think of them like tiny strainers in a pasta pot. They take the yucky stuff out of your blood and keep the good stuff in. Let's see how they work. Okay, let's break this down. Your blood is like a delivery truck. It brings food and oxygen to your body and picks up trash along the way. That trash goes to your kidneys. Here's how it happens. 1. Filtration station. Blood zooms into the kidneys through a big pipe called the renal artery. Inside the nephrons, a tiny cluster of blood vessels called the glomerulus, say glomerulus, squishes the trash out of your blood. Okay, so the trash is out, but guess what? Your kidneys are super good at recycling. This part is called reabsorption. Let's say you drank a giant glass of water. Your kidneys will take back the water your body still needs and send the extra to the toilet. Here's what they recycle. Water, most important, sugar from food, salt, but not too much, or you'll get puffy, nutrients to keep your body strong. Now let's talk about the trash. Your kidneys don't just recycle, they also add extra trash to the pee bucket. This is called secretion, what gets tossed out, extra salt, extra water, yucky stuff like medicines or stinky food, acid to keep your blood from getting sour. Think of your kidneys as trash trucks. They pick up leftover trash from your blood and send it down the toilet. Without them, your body would get super gross inside. Here's something cool. Your kidneys help your heart pump. How? They control how much water is in your blood. If your blood has too much water, your heart has to work harder. If it's too dry, your heart gets thirsty. So, if you ever hear someone say, drink water because your kidneys need it, they're totally right. Plot twist. Your kidneys don't just filter blood, they make hormones. Hormones are like text messages your body sends to tell organs what to do. Your kidneys make 3 big ones. 1. EPO, erythropoietin, tells your bone marrow to make red blood cells. 2. Active vitamin D helps your bones absorb calcium from food. 3. Renin, a hormone that helps control blood pressure. So your kidneys are like teachers in your body. They're always giving orders to keep everything running smoothly. Final stop, the collecting duct. This is where your kidneys decide if pee is weak or strong. If you're thirsty, they'll squeeze out as much water as they can, making dark pee. If you're hydrated, pee stays light and watery. Can you imagine if your kidneys forgot to make pee? You'd get super sick. That's why doctors check your pee to find out if your kidneys are happy. Now that you know how kidneys work, let's talk about how to keep them strong. Here are 5 super easy tips. 1. Drink water. Dehydration equals sad kidneys. 2. Eat healthy foods. Junk food equals kidney overload. 3. Don't smoke. Smoking makes kidneys tired. 4. Move around. Exercise helps kidneys work better. 5. Visit the doctor. Get checkups to catch problems early. Imagine your kidneys as 2 sponges. If they get clogged with sugar or salt, they can't clean your blood. That's why eating well and staying active is so important. Time to recap. What do your kidneys do? 1. Clean your blood like a boss. 2. Make pee to get rid of trash. 3. Recycle good stuff like water and sugar. 4. Talk to your heart to control blood pressure. 5. Make hormones to keep your bones and blood strong. Your kidneys are like invisible superheroes. They work nonstop and you don't even notice. So treat them right. Drink water, eat healthy, and move your body. They'll thank you by keeping you healthy for a long time. Boom! You're now a kidney expert. If this video helped you learn, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome science adventures. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll answer the best ones in the next video. See you later, health heroes.